Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 26. If we start with this top row, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 6, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this row, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 9, 9 here, so 5, 8, 5 here, so 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. That 9 makes this our 8, 5, 9. For this box now, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 5 here, so 6, 5. For this bottom row now, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got the 1 covering these two boxes, so our 1 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. No help here. 3, 6, 8. 8 here, so 3, 6, and no help here. 3, 6, 8. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 8. We've got 2, 6, and 8 here, so this is our 3. Two here, so 6, 8, 6 here, so 2, 6. And with that 3, we can get rid of this 3. For this row now, we're missing a 5. And for this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. And I don't see any help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 6. So now if we look at this column, the only place the 7 can be is here, and that makes this our 6. And with that 6, we can get rid of this 6. For this column now, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 8, 3 here, 7, 8. That means the only place the 3 can be in that column now is here. That 3 makes this our 6, 8. That 6 makes this our 3. That 8 makes this our 6, 2. For this row now, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 8. 6 here, so 1, 6. That 8 makes this our 2, 8. And that 8 makes this our 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. For this column now, we're missing a 7. That 7 makes this our 8, 7. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this row now, we're missing a 9. That 9 makes this our 1, 9. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.